Welcome to Techi Jack. Today in this video, I will tell you my reason to switch from Microsoft 365 to Zoho, and I will also show you how to install Zoho Trident. After years of using Microsoft 365, I decided to make a big switch to Zoho. And what really convinced me? A powerful app called Zoho Trident. It's more than just an email client, it's a complete communication hub. Let's see the reason to switch to Zoho. First of all, it is cost effective. Zoho gives you business email, productivity tools, CRM and collaboration app all at fraction of Microsoft's price. It provides you the unified ecosystem. Everything from email and calendar to chat and documents work seamlessly inside Zoho Workplace. And the privacy is first. The best thing is that you will get no ads, no tracking, and full data ownership, something Microsoft can't fully promise. Simpler admin experience. Easy to set up, easy domain management and migration tools built right in. Modern experience. It has a cleaner user interface, faster access and better integration across the devices. Let's see how to install Zoho Trident. So right now we are on our browser, and if we search for the Zoho Workplace desktop app, you will see this and your all-in-one workplace companion. Click on download for Windows and it will get downloaded. Just click on this and here it will prompt you to install the app. Here you can see the install Trident and source is downloads.zoho.com. Just click on install and it is installed. Now it's asking to sign in. Just put your email address and sign in and you are signed in. This way you can customize your workplace and you can see all-in-one workplace companion, remote work ready, smart email. So this way you can install your Trident on your desktop and sign into your email. So here the Zoho Trident, the star of the show. If you think Outlook does it all, wait till you try Zoho Trident. You will get the unified inbox, and if you go to the settings here, in the accounts, you can manage multiple email account and even integration all in one clean interface. Here we have click, chat and email together. Switch instantly between emails and chat. No need to juggle the multiple apps. Here you have the organization, channel, chats, users, channels. You get both the thing inside the Trident. And if we see here, we have the calendar and task integration here. You can schedule meeting, set reminders and organize your day seamlessly. And here you have the add widget, that is a smart workplace. Access Zoho Work Drive, notes and more without ever leaving the Trident. If you click on done, here we have the work drive and you can upload your document from here right away. You will get the real-time notification to stay updated with instant alert from email, chat and calls. If we see here, we have a to-do list here. You can add your to-do list from here. And here we have the notes. You can create your notes from the Trident itself. And here you have the contacts. Even if you want some more widget to add, you can add from here. It is secure by design, provide you the enterprise grade encryption and zero advertising promise. Therefore, it also provides you the smart features for quick filters and clean user interface for boosted productivity. If we see here, we have a recent call here. Notifications are there. If you want to switch off the widget, you can click on this and the widget is gone. And here you have the account. So this way you can set up your Zoho Trident to get the smart and secure features. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.